Okay, so we're going to do I'm going to show you the writing, and we take the flashcards and you put them on the table, and they should be with the word covered like this, which you just saw. And I want to have one for every student. So I have Juan here, Federico doing this one, and Abril doing this one. I have repetition here. That's not good. I should change that because obviously it's not useful. Also, it should be 4, not 3. So I should probably change that. And this student has to write everyone in English. But obviously they can't see them. And what you can do is they can ask you, they don't remember anything, and you can say the word in English, and they just write it in English. The idea is to encourage them to make errors, to just speak anyway, or to write anyway with errors. If they worry about every error they make, they will never speak. So they have to write with errors. I used to do this on the board. I still do it on the board, and you probably will do it on the board. But this is a quicker way because you don't have to. It's just doing one word vocabulary, and you don't have to write anything. You as a teacher, you can just facilitate them, and they do it all by themselves. So they write this word, which is probably stop, evening or morning. I have to check. Go, and lorry or truck, and then they check if they got it right. So they write the word in their books, and then they check if the spelling's correct. And maybe they make errors. Errors are okay, no problem. And they check, and they check, and they check. And when they finish, you give them more cards. When they finish, you stack out another 4 cards. This is really the content of the lesson. And it's really the last step. It's really difficult to write something. It's really easy to say it, to kind of guess it when somebody says it. It's easy to read it because you can guess it, because you know you're familiar now, or the students are familiar now with what vocabulary they're working with, so they can kind of guess it. They can use elimination as well to get it. But it's really difficult to write it, and it's the most difficult thing. But it's really good activity. It's really good. It's really good activity, it's really good practice, and you see that normally they get it all right, and you say, wow, look, how did you learn that so quickly? You learned it. The students who don't like it, they probably moan, they say, oh, it's so difficult, and you say, it's normal, it's difficult.